Hey, Alex.
Hey guys, here we are.
What are you working on?
I am actually working on the new chapel song that we're writing for this fall semester.
What? You
Yeah.
write songs?
Yes, I do write songs through my worship major. We write songs. We get to know more about writing songs in that process, and so yeah, just a little summer project that I'm up to.
That is really cool. How many are there currently?
So there are two chapel songs that are out right now. We're in the process of writing one more, and we are super excited. And we are in the process of recording it.
Nice. We can't wait to see it. Where can we find these?
You can find them on all streaming platforms, and we have one music video up on YouTube for the first one.
Awesome. Well, since we're in Behrens, have you heard about the speakLIFE project?
I have not, but I do know a guy that knows more than me, and he's actually right here. Hey.
Hey, Spivey.
Hello.
So what do you know about the speakLIFE project?
Well, along with all of the amazing updates, the one that I want to highlight is our lighting infrastructure in the building.
That's so exciting. So what does that mean for all the performances that happen here?
Well, what that means is both for all of our theater performances, as well as chapel and worship and concerts and outside events and sing, we'll be able to do a lot more with lighting and provide our students an opportunity to work with newer technology that they'll use out in the real world.
I'm excited to see this on the speakLIFE project. Thank you so much for your time. We'll let you get back to sweeping.
Sounds good. Thank you.
Thanks, Spivey.
See you later. Okay, Alex. I think we can head up to the balcony, maybe get a look around there.
Sweet. Let's head up there.
Perfect. While we're walking, what would you say your favorite performance that you've ever done here is?
My favorite performance definitely has to be my sing performance with Kappa Phi Omega. We performed a Top Gun little sing. That was super fun.
Classic. Speaking of sing, are you going to perform again this year?
I am, but I can't tell you what we're doing.
Dang it. Okay, well, one more question before we head up to the lobby. Want to race?
Of course.
Go! Okay, you win.
Oh, yeah, that was good.
Well, while we take a breath, we can show the new steps that we have in Behrens. They just got updated outside. Oh, yeah, I'm breathing too.
Sorry. Yes, the steps are awesome. I love the steps, and they definitely needed some loving. So I think it's going to be great for students to see these new stairs.
Yeah. So let's head upstairs, and I'm going to throw out some rapid fire questions. You ready?
Okay, I'm ready.
If you could go to any concert, where would you go?
Oh, Elvis Presley.
Ooh. What is your favorite spot to hang out on campus?
My favorite spot has to be the Pod, just because they have the best burritos on campus.
I can agree. What is your favorite thing to do in Abilene?
My favorite thing to do is study at all the coffee shops that we have. And occasionally, I also do open mics at the coffee shops around town. So, super fun. Whew. And a lot of things to do.
Nice. So what is your go-to order in the caf?
Oh, my go-to order has to be a chicken sandwich with American cheese and bacon.
There's a lot happening here.
There is a lot happening. A lot of renovations. But behind me is a little hangout spot that we have that not a lot of people know about. But here you can find some of the comfiest couches, some computers, and some books to read, and some plays.
Speaking of studying, are you ready for fall semester? Are you ready for fall semester?
I am ready for fall semester.
You had me scared there for a second.
No, I know. I got some flashbacks, but I am very ready for fall semester. I'm taking some classes that sound a little scary, like principles of macroeconomics for one. So that sounds a little scary as a music student.
Well, I am not worried about you. So let's see if Greg is up here.
I think he is.
Great. Let's see if we can ask him some questions about Behrens being on the speakLIFE list.
Okay, let's sneak up on him.
I think he can definitely hear us, but let's try.
Hey, Greg. Hey. How are you? Good. I have a little mic for you.
Oh, you do? Yeah. Thank you very much. All right, here we go.
Hey, Greg, what are you up to?
I'm just getting ready for chapel this next semester, getting everything
Woohoo!
prepared.
That's awesome. What do you do here at Hardin-Simmons?
Well, I am the director of media services, and I get to hang out with some really cool students and spend my days working with them.
Sounds like a great job.
It's the best job in the world.
Awesome. What do you know about the speakLIFE project for Behrens?
Well, I know that it's going to come in several stages. And so I know at one point they're going to replace the floors and come in and then replace the chairs and then do some other treatments within the building. I think you've already talked with Trey about the lighting. And so with all this comes a huge, renovation project that has been needed for a very long time.
Yes, can agree.
Mm-hmm.
What is your favorite part about Behrens?
Well, there's a lot of things. It's old, it's nostalgic, but the best part about this is the double-sided stage. You have a chapel auditorium on one side, and then on the other side you have a black box theater that our students can use, and then a very versatile working space in between that you can build massive sets, and just really do a lot of creative things with.
That is definitely my favorite too. So we will let you get back to it.
Well, thank you very much.
Thank you so much.
All right. We'll see you later. All right.
Awesome. We'll head back upstairs.
Oh,
That was great. As we wrap up the last couple questions, what is your favorite part about being in the chapel band?
my favorite part has to be seeing not only myself but all my friends grow just in this not only musical experience but a spiritual experience. Some people come in not knowing a lot with music or with worship or being on stage, and by the time the semester's over or they graduate, they just know so much more, and they're so much stronger in their faith and in their ability to lead our fellow students in worship. So that has to be my favorite thing. It's kind of more behind the scenes and not really day of things, but it's definitely a process that's worth the wait.
I love that. How did you find Hardin-Simmons?
I found Hardin-Simmons through actually a spam email because they love their emails, and so it was very intriguing. And I was in a space in a time where I was kind of just looking for what I was called to do, and this email came at the perfect time. I got to look at their worship program, saw how hands-on it was, and what an experience it was to work with so many talented people and faculty. And so I toured. I loved the campus, and they accepted me.
We are so glad you're here. So this is the last question. What are you going to miss most about this place?
It's gonna be a lot. I'm gonna miss like every single thing, but I think the relationships that I have created here with the faculty, staff, and students, I will definitely miss the most. We have some incredible people, some incredible mentors around campus, and they will always have a spot in my heart.
Awesome. Well, we will take the microphone back.
Alrighty.
And
This is
thank you
yours.
so much. Have a good day.
Hey guys, see you later.
Bye.